theory of monopolistic competition. Theory of monopolistic competition. This article is written by E.H. Chamberlain. Similarly, at the same time, again, one more article written by Mrs. John Robinson in the name of Economics of Imperfect Competition. Economics of Imperfect Competition. This article is written by John Robinson. So therefore, monopolistic competition or imperfect competition is simultaneously or interchangeably used. In this chapter, in this market. So we have seen the assumptions of monopolistic competition or imperfect competition. Now we will we will see how prices and output are decided in this market. We have seen that this is the midway of perfect competition and monopoly. We are having some features of perfect competition and some features of monopoly. Therefore, we have seen the diagram of perfect competition. The demand curve of perfect competition is horizontally slope. This is the demand curve under perfect competition, and this is the demand curve of monopoly. And in monopolistic competition, we are having the exclusion of both the features. Therefore, the demand curve of monopolistic competition will be like that. That is, this will be downward slope, but demand curve under imperfect competition or monopolistic competition will be more elastic. Therefore, the demand curve will be more elastic. This will be the demand. In perfect competition, this is the price, this is the demand curve, and this is the marginal revenue curve. Similarly, in monopoly, this is the demand curve, and MR curve is passing between the demand curve and the OY axis. Or we can say MR in perfect competition is half of AR. B also known as AR. Demand curve, we say demand curve is MR. But in monopolistic competition, demand curve is more elastic and marginal revenue curve also follow the demand. This is the marginal revenue. Clear? So we will decide how price and output is decided under monopolistic competition. We will decide. If we discuss the determination of price condition output under imperfect competition? There is two time periods. One is short run and another is long run. So separately we will discuss the how prices and output is decided under short run and long run under monopolistic competition. So first of all, we will decide short run. Short run. Short. We need to differentiate between short run and long run. What is short run and long run? Short run is a time period. Long run is also time period. But short run is a time period, and this time period is so short that we are not in a position to change our fixed asset, fixed asset in the products. Therefore, this period is known as short run, short period, and long run for the firm. For the firm, time is so large that the producers are able to change the fixed asset, fixed capital. And by changing the fixed asset, fixed capital, in the long run, the producers are getting or adjusting the equilibrium, getting the profit. But in the short run, their producers are not in a position to change the fixed factor. So as per their variable factor, they need to adjust in the market. And in the short run, they can get profit, supernormal profit, they can get normal profit, even they can get loss. So three situations, three cases may happen in the short run. Three situations. Producers can get normal profit, producers can get loss, even producers can get supernormal profit as per the market situation. So we will discuss one by one what is the normal profit, what is the supernormal profit, and what is the losses. We can see diagrammatically. So on O axis, that is horizontal axis, we have taken the output. On OY axis, that is the vertical axis, we have taken the price. This is the demand curve that slopes downward, and this is the MR curve. MR curve also follows the demand curve or the average revenue. As we know, the condition of equilibrium. The condition of equilibrium is, we have studied in previous class, MR must be equal to MC. This is the condition of equilibrium. MR, marginal revenue, must be equal to marginal cost. And we are all know the nature of marginal cost. This is the nature of marginal cost. So where MR and MC intersect each other, that is the equilibrium. We draw the line connecting the horizontal axis and connecting to demand curve or average revenue. If there is a normal profit, at normal profit, average revenue must be equal to average cost. This is the condition of normal profit. This is is the condition of normal profit. Average revenue must be equal to average cost. So at equilibrium, this curve we can say Q1 and L line. This is the Q1 and L line meeting to AR curve, and here average curve, average cost curve. Average cost. Average cost is minimum where LC intersect from its zero. Average cost is minimum. Maybe there is a problem of drawing the average cost, but here it is minimum. At this point, price is OP price, where comes is ready to sell. At OP price, firm will sell OQ1 amount of output, and at this point AR is equal to MC. So the firm or industry is getting normal price because average revenue and per unit revenue is equal to per unit cost. So this is the condition of normal. Now we can also discuss diagrammatically what is the condition of supernormal profit. Next we will draw this curve. We will discuss diagrammatically how under imperfect competition producers are getting supernormal profit in the short term. Graph will be same, diagram will be same. This is the demand curve or average revenue curve. This is the MR curve, marginal revenue curve. This is the MC curve. Here marginal revenue and marginal cost equals. So this is the equilibrium point. At y-axis, this is our y-axis. On y-axis, there is we have price. At y-axis, we have output. And at OQ1 output, we are getting Q1L revenue, average revenue, per unit revenue, but still average cost is not decided. We need to see what is the average cost of the firm. If average cost is like this, we will see the average revenue is. What is average revenue? Tell me. Q1 and L. What is average cost? Q1 M. Q1 M. So what is difference? Difference AR minus AC means Q1L minus Q1M is equal to ML is equal to ML. This is the per unit supernormal profit. Per unit supernormal profit. Per unit. That is per unit supernormal average profit. Now we need to find out the total profit. Total supernormal profit. So total supernormal profit, we need to draw one more line. We can say A. So this is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the name of this rectangle? AEML. This is the name of the rectangle. So how will you get the area of this rectangle? This is the width or length. This is the length, this is the width. So area of the rectangle is length into width. So we need to find out the area. This is said. So length is PM. Length is PM. And width is KP. Therefore, PM multiplied by KP, the area we will have the area of KP ML. This is shown by setting. So this area, this much of area is the supernormal profit got by the firms in Imperfect under software. But in the short run, time is so less, so short, that the firm are not in a position to manage all their factors in such a way that they can get the normal profit or supernormal profit. So in the short run, they can also get the losses. In the short run, for the time being, they can get losses, but not in the long run. Similarly, we can draw one more diagram for showing the losses. So loss means average cost will be greater than average. This is the condition of loss. Average cost will be. Is it okay? The average cost will be greater than average revenue. In the next figure, we will show it on OX axis. Again, we have taken output, and on OY axis we have taken price. Same demand curve, same MR curve. Again MR is equal to MC. This will be the equilibrium point. Equilibrium point generated by E. At this equilibrium point, OQ1 output is produced or sold in the market. Now, average revenue is OL Q1L, and price will be OP. Now we will see the average cost. If average cost is more, is average cost. At this output, at OQ1 output, average cost is Q1 M and average revenue is Q1 L. So tell me what is the average revenue in this figure? Average revenue is Q1, tell me, L. Average cost is Q1 M. Q1 M. So what is difference? Difference, average revenue minus average cost. Average revenue is Q1 L minus Q1 M equal to, so average cost is more, answer will be minus, so it will be minus, what will be the minus? LM minus, so losses. So losses per unit will be LM. Per unit losses will be LM. Total loss, again we need to draw a line that is, so again total loss, length into breadth. So length is PL, length is PL, breadth is either LM or KP, breadth is LM. So PL multiplied by LM, we will find the area of PLMK. Area of PLMK. This is the rectangular area which is shown by shading. Which is shown by. So this is losses. What type of losses? This is known as loss. Loss is the area of PL and K. Clear? So in the short run, under monopolistic competition, a firm can get profit, can get losses, even can get supernormal profit. But in the long run, a firm can only get normal profit. A firm can only get normal profit. Why normal profit? Because if the firm will get the supernormal profit, new firms will come up. New producers will come up. They produce the same goods. They produce the substitute. They produce close substituted goods. Then price will decrease because the production will increase due to entrance of the new firms. Then there will be more supply. And demand is faced by the consumers. Demand will not increase and supply will increase. Then price will go down. And unless and until it will reach to the average cost. The firm will not get loss. The firm will not get loss in the long run because no firm will survive in losses in the long run? How long a firm can get the losses? How long a firm can survive in the losses in the long period? In the long period, if there is a continuous loss, then there is exit. Firm will exit. Firm will stop the production and go out from the market. Clear?